Alright, welcome modelers. So just want to give you a little bit of an update on the Millennium Falcon project. So not too much we can see from the outside that's, anything super special. I've gone in and done some painting. I decided to paint all these instead of doing the decals, and I think we'll get a better result out of that. But if I want to, I can always go to this and look. It's just a crazy amount of decal work with it, but I think it looks better the way it is. So there's that. Before I get into weathering, I need to do a few things with the setup with all the decals, the full-on 150 decals this thing has. It's going to be a crazy amount. Going to take in the next couple days just to do some things with that. But the main thing we need to look at is this. So take off our cover. We've got our special units here. Okay, so I've got a selection of switches. And right now you should see on the screen where I'm popping in and showing you the layout inside of this. So I had to do some Tetris to be able to get everything in there, and just to get it to fit to where it will actually close properly. So I got that in, got the 4 battery packs that are rechargeable into there, and got it so it'll all close. So what else we got with this is the unit can run off of a AC power here, and that's also where it's going to get its power to recharge these batteries, since the batteries are no longer accessible. Still have the Bluetooth unit where we can go in and play all that stuff. And then from here, so this is going to be our master, so have that on, and battery power, so have that on, and then it'll start to come up. But since it's Bluetooth, I've actually got to pause this thing and go to the controller on my recording device. Alright, we're back, and I got some of the lights off so you can kind of see what's going on. So in the back, you got the sounds going on. We've got our full LED strip. And yeah, having this on a Lazy Susan has helped so much. Okay, so now for the rest of it, what I gotta do, lift it up. So I've decided to put those as red. I think it makes a little more sense. And then you have your loading bay there. And then if I flip this, let's see, actually the landing lights are not on. Get those going. Okay, better. So I need to do a few things with some light bleed. And these are masked off, so they're not going to be super bright at the moment, but you can see all the landing lights. So I can turn off and on the landing lights. I can turn on and off the cockpit lights. I can change, we'll turn off the hatch lights. I can do all that through the app, which is pretty dang amazing. You can go in and you can actually change these colors and intensities. Like this one is just solid red, but you could do it kind of flashing. So you could do a few effects with that if you wanted to. And so I need to make a label system because the system that he has for the Bluetooth is a little bit tricky to understand when it comes to all of what the buttons do. So there is that. So this one is going to very much come with an owner's manual. But that is where we're at for this puppy. So I've got everything ready to go to put on some decals. And so I'm going to put on the crazy small decals that we got on here. And put those in those places. Then we're going to go on and do some more weathering and get this puppy ready to go. So if I want to turn this off, and there you go, batteries off, and then full system off, and then tuck these puppies away. basically, and then put on the lid. But that is where I'm at with this project. So if you guys have any tips, anything want to comment, definitely leave it below. But other than that, until next time.